What's going on, people? Welcome back to a Jamaica Alpha Space. Blessing to you, blessing to your family, or should I say, wagwan. Good to see everyone. We covered so much, and I give thanks to everyone who have subscribed thus far. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate the interaction. I get the comments and all of these wonderful things. It really helps the algorithm. So if you have not yet, think about subscribing. Think about leaving a comment, and let's interact. Excuse me, actually not feeling very well, but I'm still here. So we have covered greeting, we have covered the popular Jamaican phrase "wagwan," how to say hello to someone that is. So now we've also touched on the resort experience, and when you go to the resort, there's a popular thing that you hear, and it is "yeah man." It's a Jamaican phrase, but please, we do not say it like this. Please do not say that when you go on vacation. It is very cringe, and we do not say it like that. But guess what? I am here to teach you how to say it correctly.